In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable credits. Whether you're new to Airtable or simply want to make the most of the credits available to you, this tutorial has got you covered. Will help you navigate the Airtable platform with ease, ensuring you can efficiently access and utilize your credits. First up, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to the Airtable website. Simply type in airtable.com and hit enter. Once there, you'll be greeted by Airtable's vibrant homepage, which is dynamic and user-friendly. Here you'll find the sign in button located conveniently at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that to begin your journey. After signing in with your credentials, you will be redirected to Airtable Home. This is your central hub for all things Airtable, granting you access to your projects and any ongoing collaborations. On the top right corner of the home page, you'll see your profile picture or initials. Clicking on this will bring a drop-down menu into view. From the drop-down menu, you want to navigate to your profile. Clicking here will take you to your personal profile section, where you can manage your account settings and viewing preferences. Next, locate the Account tab. Clicking on this tab will open up the Account Management section, which houses all your account details and settings. Now let's hone in on the section that's the star of today's tutorial, Credits. Within the account settings, you'll see the Credits option. Clicking on it will display all pertinent details regarding the credits you've accrued, including how many credits are available for use, their expiry date, and other essential information you may need. Perhaps you're curious about how credits work or how to earn more. Click on the Learn More About Referrals and Credits link. This will guide you through a detailed page with comprehensive information on how Airtable credits function. Understanding this can be incredibly beneficial if you use Airtable frequently or intend to extend your usage through invitations. Lastly, if you want to delve deeper, locate the Referrals and Credits link within this section. Clicking on this will open a detailed view that provides insights into earning credits via referrals. This section is particularly useful if you know peers or colleagues who might benefit from Airtable, potentially allowing you both to gain from the referral program. So there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to access and make the most out of your Airtable credits. You've learned not only how to navigate the platform, but also how to maximize your experience by utilizing available resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope you put those credits to good use.